No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Don't huff and puff at me.
I don't blame you, she's not. What, my intel's not good? No, it's no good. See, I think it is. Because she confirmed that and I don't want to trust you.
High five. Too slow. High five. Too slow. High five. High five. You pop too slow. You take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up. What the hell? No. Honey, no. No. No.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Nina, gently lang.
Oh!
Come here. Oh my god! Hi, can I touch you? No.
Why are you growling at me?
Get down. Get down. Down.
Jesus Christ, Lincoln. That isn't a stick.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door. No.
How about the lock the darn door?
What's wrong?
Huh?
You want some chicken? Blink if you want some chicken. Okay.
Can I help you? You want to get up here? Come on. There you go.
Quítatelo, quítatelo.